Hi guys, Friction RC here. Just got a new package. Got the Bugs 20 EIS drone. It's one of those MJX manufacturers. EIS is obviously, according to them, electronic image stabilization. Films in 4K. There's plenty of videos on YouTube of people running this drone. There was a few. I was having a look initially when I saw how much those DJI drones were. I was like, yeah, that's very expensive. So I was looking for alternatives and found quite a few, in fact. And I was initially going to be settling down on, I can't remember what the brand is, but when I was watching some of those videos, people doing reviews, a lot of people in comments said, oh well, there's this one, do a review on this because it's cheap. And then I started finding more videos of this particular one, and the footage, for someone like me, I don't own a 4 million K TV. I don't live by the beach in Southern California. I'm a Londoner, so built up areas and the laws here have changed last year, beginning of this year, and again they're going to change, I think, next year as well. So in terms of drone ownership, how you can fly it, so aside from like toy type drones, anything with a camera and all that, you have to take, the initial test is quite easy, but you have to log it and then take tests if you want to fly high up and all that. So this is purely not for me to earn any money, but just to fly around nice areas. When I go on a holiday, take it with me, and just have a bit of fun in the air. So I'm going to open this up and we'll have a look what's inside. So here you go. Inside the box you get the obviously instructions and the stickers. It's quite a comprehensive thing. I've been looking online about how to set it up and start it up, because I've had sort of drones in the past, but they've all been sort of second-hand ones. And when they say link to the apps that the third-party apps they say to use never connect for whatever reason, so I can never see it on the phone properly. And bearing in mind, technology has changed a lot over the last 3 years since drones first came out in the big way, as it were. From the little toy stuff you see in the shops to everything else. So what do you get? You get obviously the drone itself, which is this thing here. Wow, it's quite heavy. You get the controller, which is in here. What's inside that? That would be the USB-C to charge the batteries up. This would have the blades. Actually, I'll tell you what, let me take it all out, it'll be easier.